Bournemouth People First is an independent award-winning charity supported by the Council, run for and by adults with learning disabilities. You're about to hear from a few of our members about what the charity means to us and how it's affected our lives.
Bournemouth People First has helped me in my life. It's been giving me the strength to speak up for myself and others and for the organisation. I've been to a lot of events where we've had a good attendance, and each one I've been to, I've gotten a lot better speaking up for myself and others.
Myself from Bournemouth People First, our friend Shawnee were from Pool Forum, and Julie from Chatterbox YMCA all went to London to get the safer neighbourhood category of the Accessible Britain Award. It was the Safer Neighbourhoods category, and we won it for our Safe Places scheme in Bournemouth and Poole. The Safe Places scheme works by shops and other organisations use their windows or doors to display our sticker to indicate or show that they're a place to go in a case of emergency.
I like to see Big Night Out a lot. I just like the social aspect, being there, making friends, being involved in the process. I've been to meetings as well, and going to the events. I've been to practically nearly every one of them the last few years. We've got a lot more involved with other organisations, Pool Forum, Dorset People First.
Bournemouth People First has helped me with confidence and also inspiring others and getting out and about.
I like when Bournemouth People First do training and give training to housing staff, university students, and they help how history we know has helped change different people's views and opinions of people with learning disability. A right game changer.